Guys, go grab a plate right now because we're about to consume some stuff and tell you some stuff.
So
guys. What's up, subbies? Back with a new video. You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time, and it's breakfast time.
Guys, go grab a plate right now because we're about to consume some stuff and tell you some stuff.
So this morning we are having callaloo and sawfish.
Yes.
And boiled banana, boiled dumpling, yam, and plantain.
And a cup of coffee.
And the good old
special
coffee.
Made by Drew.
Yep.
And if you hear the background noise, that is Chasey eating his
having cornmeal porridge.
Yeah, he actually loves cornmeal porridge.
Well, he's not having that now because I fed him already, but
he's having bacon now.
Yeah.
He's chilling out with the bacon and playing with the plate.
So if you hear any background noises, that's Mr. Chase.
Yeah.
Today's video is just a quick update on where we've been. I know we've been posting a lot less on this channel, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. A quick update on our other channel.
Yeah.
A quick update on what we've been doing. Like, just catching you guys up on what's going on.
Planting though.
Just catching you guys up with what's going on with Danny and Chaddy.
So basically, you guys, I don't know if you guys know, right now Daniel's currently working on a lot of stuff, which is basically a business. She has a business, those guys. So, she can introduce it to you because I'm choking on this plantain right now and I need some tea. Well, not tea, some coffee.
So I've been making candles for a little while at home for myself, and I decided to start a little Etsy page to sell candles. So these are like two scents that I sell. So this is sage and lavender, and this is sea salt. So I basically just make candles, and we just started it when, like 2 weeks?
2 weeks, and it's been doing good, guys. So I want to say who's watching right now and has purchased right now. I want to say thank you guys for your support. Everybody who's watching this video, thank you for your support. Supporting us, you know, it's a long journey we've been doing this, you know.
And since we just started it, it's like, I think the first 2 weeks been the hardest for us because we had so much issues with supplies and getting them and stuff. So
a lot of backlog. It's
really been taking up a lot of time, so we haven't had that much time to even film videos on both channels, Life with the Subbies and Danny and Chaddy.
And planning out stuff. We have to be planning out, write down everything, make sure everything organized. Yeah. And we're going to like this, you know, like fret zone because, you know, we don't know when we're gonna get certain stuff, and we're like, oh my god. And
we didn't want to disappoint customers.
Yeah.
And so it's been a lot, but if you follow Life with the Subbies, you'll know that we vlog on that channel. Yeah. So a lot of information is on that channel. And
you guys probably know if you guys are watching for Life with the Subbies right now, right here. And I want to say I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel over there, and you guys can go ahead and subscribe over there. We will be posting back on this channel very soon, like a lot more.
Once we get everything
once we get our foot on the once we get our foot on the ground, because you know, right now we're foot underneath the ground. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like
we're trying to swim above water.
It's like, help me, help me.
So basically, that's why we've been posting a lot less. I know this food tastes so good this morning.
Yo, if you guys could try this right now, you should try it. Here, hold some.
I don't know what's this.
That's Irish.
Sweet potato.
So sweet potato. This is sweet potato.
So good.
There's Irish there too, underneath it. It's really good. We're not gonna lie. Ground provision food is one of the best.
I'm having this for dinner again today. We're having this with brown.
I can have it all day, you know?
Don't think that we've forgotten about Danny and Chaddy. We're gonna be back posting shortly. You know, we always post Sundays. That's always going to be for Danny and Chaddy. Yeah. But during the week, we will be posting another day of the week. I can't really say which day it will be because we're not sure when everything will settle, but it's gonna be very soon. Yeah, and
as you know, guys, we do a live every Sunday, except the last, like, what we missed, only 2 Sundays we missed.
Mother's Day and then when everything was happening.
Yeah, and we had to take that day. We had to we had to defrost from that because it was really bad. But yeah, like I said, guys, we do lives over there and we connect with everybody over there, and you know,
so
we
if
talk.
If you haven't followed Life with the Subbies, you can go follow it because I feel like we're a lot more active on that channel because it's a vlog channel, so we can show just in and out of what we're doing every day. And
as you guys know, we have to put a lot more work when we're doing Danny and Chaddy, especially like for doing like challenges and stuff like that. It's a lot of work. Yeah. But like I said, give us this week and the next week and we should be back on schedule and we should be fine. We should be posting more on this channel. And like I said,
saw someone message and asked how come where we've been.
Yeah.
So that kind of was the reason for this video.
Yeah, and then that's another reason, because I don't want nobody to think that we're gonna ghost or nothing like that. We are here for a good time and a long time, means a reason, right?
And if you follow Life with the Subbies, you know that we're here.
Yeah, it's just that we've been working on Danielle's business, because Danielle loves her business and Danielle's been wanting to do it, and she's finally getting to do it now, and it's like
and I think with every startup,
yeah,
even as small as
you get so much setbacks, things that you don't think about,
especially now with everything going on, shipping delays.
Yeah, right?
Shipping delays and all those things have happened.
Yeah.
So it's been a lot harder to like. Chase is telling him what happened.
Yeah. Right?
And we still have to make time for Chase. So
yeah.
It's been a lot.
As I said, I work for Danielle, guys. I am a shipping guy. I'm Mr. Shippy, and Chase is my co-assistant when it comes to shipping.
They're working for free.
He's little Shippy and I'm Mr. Shippy. Okay? So hashtag Mr. Shippy right now.
So when you purchase your candles, they're hand packaged
by Chase
and Shippy.
And Shippy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at you here. What
did you put in your hair?
What you put in your hair?
He ate up all his bacon.
Yeah, there's like one piece.
He's like, where's the rest?
Yeah. 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 Guys, comment down below your favorite breakfast right now. My favorite breakfast is corned beef and dumpling.
Well, we're going to get actually ackee and saltfish, but they didn't have any.
Yeah, you
had to wait 15 minutes for the ackee.
What?
Oh my god.
What was that?
All over my food.
What was that?
Here, you eat. Eat some.
Guys, I want to tell you guys so much that what's going on really and truly. I can't tell you no. Like there's so much up and coming things that we're working on, and when it it'll slap with.
What I wanted to talk about is the attitude that we got this morning from the lady at Dutch Pot.
Yes, we got a nasty attitude.
Oh my god, I was like, I can't believe it's so early and you're
early Sunday morning, and I was being very. Oh my god, with the dumpling. I wish you could eat dumpling, like, because yeah. Look. That would make my day. If my son eat dumpling, it would make my day.
But he like dumpling.
Yeah. But we give him fried dumpling, the inside of the fried dumpling, and he loved it. But yeah, well, let's talk about the Dutch Pot now.
Oh my god, the attitude was
that we got in Dutch Pot.
It was on 100.
I was very disappointed.
But is the food really good if you don't get attitude?
Yeah. It's true. Like, if you don't go somewhere with the attitude, you don't want enough food there from a Jamaican restaurant.
She said it's too early and too much people want food and she's ready to go back to her bed.
And you know what makes it the worst is a Sunday morning.
When everybody's coming up, oh, can I get this? And
yeah, I was like,
what you want?
Guys, when I come up to order my food through the drive-thru, I'm very pleasant. Then I can tell you I'm very pleasant. I'm saying good morning, good afternoon. And yeah. You give Dad a kiss and no kiss for me? No, give me my kiss. So yeah. Yeah, you didn't get no kiss. Yeah, so back to myself. So I'm very pleasant. So today, this morning, I drive and whatever. Daniel's in the back with Chase. I'm gonna drive up and I said, good morning. She's like, what you want?
She was not nice.
She was like, what you want? Like legit. And I said, alright. I said, can I have an ackee and saltfish and porridge? And she's like, we not have that, 15 minutes time.
Yeah, and I'm like, okay.
Okay, what do you have?
We got the rhythm.
She's like, what? I asked her, what do you have? She said, you see the menu?
Yes, she was not nice.
She was, and you know, to me as a person, you know, I not get angry over like simple things like that, because I feel like there's more to life to get angry over like that. But anyways.
But you know what? You should always just kill them with kindness.
Me kill them with kindness. Me say, okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You know? I hope I made your day of being silent and I walked away.
No, you never said that.
I really was saying, I said thank you. I'm not a person like that does that, guys.
Yeah.
And, even if them give me attitude, me just calm down, because you just don't know what them are going through. You don't know what that person is going through. They could have a really rough night and a bad day and they never want to be at work and because of certain things. So you know, you have to appreciate them, you know. It's like times like this you have to appreciate people more.
Okay, Chase is mashing up my dumpling.
You're a dumpling masher. Yeah, mash up the dumpling. You mash up the dumpling?
Chase is mashing up my breakfast after he eats off his breakfast.
I think he likes to play with food.
No.
Yeah. What are you blowing up? Oh, you see the candles, guys. He loves to blow the candles. Blow a candle. Go blow out the candle.
Go blow that one.
Oh, no, you can't. You have to.
No coffee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick update on where we've been, what we've been doing, what's coming. And if you haven't followed the Life of the Subbies, go ahead and subscribe to that channel because that's going to be our vlog channel. You can keep up with us on that channel. We'll be back on this channel very soon.
Don't forget the live today.
Don't forget live.
6-ish.
6:30-ish.
We'll turn on your post notifications because when we reach, it's gonna be hot.
Yes. And if you want to follow my Etsy page, it's gonna be in the link below.
Yeah.
Chase will be packaging them for you.
Yeah, you want to package them now? Okay, we can package them now, okay? Okay? Okay. Alright, love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We'll see you guys another time. Same place, same bad channel. Big up on yourself.